Hi sprint, this is the time before prelims. 4.5 months are left for your PT exams. So you may feel anxious and your stress level is very high. So in that situation, you maybe start to pondering for the good material, good notes and good coachings. So in this system, we are launching Sure 70 programs that is on 16th of January. That is a crash course program for 2023, which is taught by the expert faculties of this organization.
Hi, this is Swati Singh and I am the faculty of Indian Economy. As the UPSC Prelim CSE 2023 is approaching with 4.5 months, so right now Psyche World is going to launch a new crash course series. In this crash course series, I, Swati Singh, is going to cover the Indian economy from the prelims point of view, along with all the current affairs update.
Hi, this is Ram. I am faculty of Psyche World IAS. Going to teach you CSAT 2023. यूजुअली मैंने देखा कि बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं कि जो सोचते हैं सीसेट कुछ नहीं है, नथिंग, एंड बहुत से स्टूडेंट ऐसे हैं जो सोचते हैं सीसेट पता नहीं क्या है। तो मैं आप लोगों से ये कहना चाहता हूँ, सीसेट जो है ना वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग